Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by sorting and prepping so the machine can do its job efficiently. First, check pockets, close zippers, and separate colors and delicates. This prevents damage and bleeding. Next, measure the correct detergent dose, use the manufacturer's cap or scoop, and account for load size and soil level. Once done, load the drum loosely. Avoid overpacking so water circulates. Finally, choose the wash program, set temperature, and spin speed. These choices affect cleanliness and fabric care, so pick what matches the load. Once the cycle begins, monitor and tweak settings to optimize results. You should pick cold for bright colors to prevent fading, warm for mixed fabrics, and hot for durable whites or sanitizing. If clothes are heavily soiled, select pre-wash or a stain-targeting option and add boosters like oxygen bleach. Place softener in the dispenser so it releases at the rinse. Mid-cycle, make sure the load is balanced. Pause and redistribute items if the washer vibrates or struggles to spin. An unbalanced tub wastes energy and risks damage. When the cycle ends, act promptly. You should remove clothes quickly to reduce wrinkles and mildew. Shake garments and either transfer to a dryer with appropriate settings or hang delicates to air dry. Using the right dryer temperature preserves fabric life. After drying, always clean the lint trap to maintain airflow and safety. If something goes wrong, leaks, loud noises, or no spin, stop the machine, check hose connections, level the feet, and consult the machine's error codes. These steps often reveal simple fixes before calling a technician.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.